Shape your own university experience in the heart of Scotland's exciting capital, Edinburgh, with Vita Student Fountainbridge. Fountainbridge offers a diverse range of stylish studios to choose from. Each studio is thoughtfully furnished with luxurious double beds, practical study desks, modern TVs, private bathrooms, and sleek kitchenettes, allowing you to savor the joy of preparing your favorite meals. Amp up your fitness routine at the exclusive on-site gym while enjoying your favorite chart-topping tunes with lightning-fast Wi-Fi. Alternatively, gather with friends in the inviting coffee lounge for a delightful cup of coffee or immerse yourself in a plethora of engaging activities, including maker workshops, PT sessions, yoga classes, pop-up golf, and even cocktail making. The residence also offers fantastic shared amenities, including laundry facilities and a responsive 24/7 on-site team dedicated to meeting your needs. A short 5 minutes drive will take you straight to your lectures at the University of Edinburgh and Edinburgh Napier University. Need to explore the city? Public transit is a breeze, with the nearest bus stop conveniently located just around the corner. Book your green haven today on amberstudent.com.